In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to freeze rows in Excel for printing. First, open Microsoft Excel and go to the worksheet you want to print. If you're working with a table that stretches across multiple pages, it's common to want your header row to stay visible, so each printed page is easy to read. This is especially helpful for lists such as employee records, reports, or any spreadsheet with column headings at the top. Before we continue, there's one very important detail to understand. In Excel, freeze panes does not affect printing. Freeze panes is only used to keep rows or columns visible on your screen while you scroll. So if your goal is to make the top row appear on every printed page, the correct feature to use is print titles. For example, imagine you have a worksheet with headers like Employee ID, Employee Name, Department, and Salary, followed by rows of data underneath. If that worksheet prints across more than one page, you'll probably want those column headings to appear again at the top of each new page. That way, whoever reads the printed document can immediately understand what each column represents. To do that, go to the Page Layout tab, then click Print Titles. This opens the Page Setup dialog box. In that window, look for the Sheet tab if it isn't already selected. Then click inside the field labeled Rows to Repeat at top. Now select the header row in your worksheet. If your headers are in the first row, Excel will show something like $1:1, which means row 1 will be repeated at the top of every printed page. Once that's set, click OK. At this point, Excel is configured to print that top row on every page automatically. This is the recommended method because it directly controls the printed layout rather than just changing how the sheet looks on screen. Next, preview your document before printing. Press Ctrl and P to open Print Preview. Then scroll through the preview pages and check that the header row appears at the top of each page. This quick review step is useful because it helps you catch formatting issues before you print, saving both time and paper. That's all there is to it. If you want rows to stay visible while scrolling, use freeze panes. But if you want a header row to repeat on every printed page, use print titles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.